Inside the KSign, if you try to sign and install the app, tap on the app, sign and install, start signing. It shows here ready to install, but it actually doesn't install the app. It will just be stuck with ready to install screen and nothing happens. How to fix this? First, go to settings here, scroll down, come to server options, tap. Here you can enable the online install method. Once you do that, tap on OK and the app will restart. Just launch it again. Scroll down once again. Go to server options back and we're going to use one custom server here. Just write here exactly that I write here. That is https api.palerain.in. That is api.palerain.in. Just type in exactly that I write here. Tap and save. Once you do that, we can exit this app and relaunch it. Exit and relaunch. Now go to library and try signing and installing the apps. Tap sign and install. Start signing. And now as you can see, it gives you the option to install the app here. Tap and install. It's now done. Let's go to home screen to see the app, and the app is here. It's been installed properly. Let's open it. Now we can use it. So that's how you can fix the KSign error of not installing the apps. Like this video and subscribe to this channel.